Hi everybody, let's continue our painting exercise. We are exploring different outcomes using the same source image, materials and techniques. This is the second composition out of 8. For that, we will need paper, some watercolor, some brushes, something to mix the paint, water, cloth, cotton balls, and cotton buds. We started by erasing a little bit the pencil marks, and after that we are going to prep the paper by watering. I'm using one of the cotton balls to water all the surface of the paper, okay? It will prepare the paper to receive the paint. And then I'm going to use a very little paint just to make the outlines. As you can see, because the paper is over-watered, it gives this effect, this blurring effect, which is very nice. And I use the same thing throughout the whole composition. Then I start adding color and adding some shadows and everything. Just bear in mind that I have the source picture right in front of me, so I know where the shadows are going to be and everything. The same blue that you see here in her dress is the same that I'm using in her eyes, so it creates some kind of constant flow of color. Then I start adding some highlights. And I'm using the cotton ball. Watercolor is very good because of that. You can use all kinds of materials. It's a very good medium, especially if you're starting. It's not the easiest, once again, it's not the easiest, but it's very nice. As you can see, I'm using the same red and the same blue in parts that aren't red or blue, like the hair and even the skin. And after 15 minutes, this is the final result. This is the second of 8 compositions, and you're welcome to explore the others. As always, keep on practicing, and thank you for joining us.